And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation, as I said, that is going to absolutely blow your mind. Now, what we've been able to do in such a short amount of time is get this beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod in that has absolutely transformed this landscape and given this customer back their landscape with this overall design that has allowed them to be able to see the true value of a Zeon Zoysia sod. And let me take you through that so that you can see exactly what you get with the Zeon Zoysia sod. It's what they call a carpet grass, because it's one of those grass that definitely is going to last, and that it repairs itself. It also is drought tolerant, shade tolerant, and it allows you to be able to get the fullness of your landscaping. So that's what we've been able to do for this customer here with this design. And it also says that's what we're going to be able to do each and every time that you give us a call. Now, if you're a landscape professional, you're looking for a way to grow your business, then there's no better way to do that than to be able to give your client more quality and more quantity of service than that of what's expected. And so here we are on Memorial Day, and we're not only giving this customer more than that of what's expected, we're helping them save over $5,400 on their landscape by being able to put in a Zeon Zoysia sod instead of what they thought was going to be a Bermuda. We were able to surprise them with this design, and that Bermuda sod has done a lot for a lot of homeowners, but there's nothing better than that of the beautiful Zeon Zoysia. The Zeon Zoysia sod is absolutely phenomenal in solving those landscape drainage problems because of its drought tolerance, and it also is great when it comes to being able to save you the time of having to worry about repairing your sod. You're never going to have to worry about that problem with the Zeon Zoysia sod because it repairs itself, it grows itself back. If you have pets or dogs, it's an extremely hardy grass, and it's absolutely something that you should consider if you're thinking about solving a landscape drainage problem and you need to get some type of sod installed. So as you can see, this beautiful sod has laid itself out in exceptional fashion. All we're doing now is watering it in, but it does tell a story on how you're going to be able to see for yourself that the Zeon Zoysia sod is absolutely one of the best turf grass that your money can buy. And as you can also see, as I showed you in that earlier video, the reason why we went through and we took out that 3.5 to 4 inches of the existing dirt along the concrete is so that that beautiful sod can go in and that it can easily be managed and look so beautifully manicured with this design by being able to make sure that it stops right there at the concrete. And so these are just some of the ways in which we're helping our homeowners solve landscape problems, but also how we give it back a little bit more than that of what's expected. So just wanted to show you guys this so that you'll be able to see for yourself how you can begin to take advantage of your landscape and or help your customer receive a turf grass that is absolutely one of the best grass that you can get. And it actually is the best grass. It was rated top grass of the year in 2021. I'm sure to get it again in 2022 because it is a superior turf grass, and that it absolutely does do that. Zeon Zoysia sod, it lasts, and it's absolutely one of the best grass you can buy. I wanted to show you guys this sod installation. See you again on our next episode. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe. And also, if you're a landscape professional and you're looking for a way to grow your business, want to make sure you reach out to us. We have some very effective landscape marketing material that we love to put in your hands, as I know it'll help you out. This is going to be where our pine straw bed is, and then this is going to be, as you can see, the overall design of the landscape. Thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day.